Unboxing Prophecy, and Happy New Year. It's come full circle for me. This was one of the first kinds of packs I ever opened, Prophecy pack, and look where we are now. Just goes to show that a year will only change the amount of wrinkles, but it won't change your heart or soul. Outbeak, Reese's Cave, Child Dancer, kind of like a child dancer, if you've ever seen one of those. Troublesome Goose, Mindbearer, Fault Riders, Driving Griffin, Reese's Dooge, Thrive, Stormwave Elgle, Sporefog, Soul Charner, Devastator, Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D., Hazy Homo. And that's a year in a nutshell.